Some psychological facts that people don't know. Listen carefully to how a person speaks about other people to you. This is exactly how they will speak about you to others. Smile before answering the phone. It will make you sound happier and improve the quality of your conversation. People become extremely honest, awkward, wild, or personal during the late nights or early mornings. Your brain will perform better when you believe you have slept well, even if you have not. 1 minute of anger weakens the immune system for 4 to 5 hours. 1 minute of laughter boosts the immune system for 24 hours. The smell of orange relieves stress. Smelling an orange or eating one can reduce stress by over 70%. A small area of the brain called amygdala enables you to read someone else's face for clues to how they are feeling. People who listen to more than one genre of music tend to be smarter and more creative. Your subconscious mind is 30,000 times more powerful than your conscious mind. 90% of the people laugh even harder when they try to explain why they are laughing. You can have 4 to 7 dreams in one night. The size of your signature is linked to overall confidence. The larger your signature, the greater your self-esteem. If you ask someone a question and they only partially answer, just wait and stay silent. They will continue talking. Grokking is a word for staring at someone in the hope that they will give you some of their food. 98% of the time when someone says they have to ask you a question, you think of all the bad things you have done recently. Thinking burns calories. People who shower first thing in the morning tend to be more creative, productive, and more alert. Neurons that fire together work together. The more you do something, the more your brain responds to support that activity. When you talk to yourself, you are actually making yourself smarter. The faster you eat, the more weight you gain. Faking confidence can positively influence your brain and change your life. Your nose is connected to the memory center of your brain. That's why smells can trigger powerful memories. We are more creative at night and least creative in afternoon. First-born children tend to have a higher IQ than their siblings. Lack of communication ruins everything because instead of knowing how the other person is feeling, we just assume. Daytime naps improve memory and cuts the risk of heart attack. 2 hours of silence per day prompt cell development in the hippocampus region of the brain, where memory are formed. Your body is weakest during 3 to 4 a.m. This is the time most people die in their sleep. The pupil of your eye expands up to 45% when you look at someone you love. Your mind can sense someone staring at you even when asleep. Hope you like this psychological facts that people don't know. If you like this video, hit the like, subscribe, and also bell icon.